In this video, I'm going to give you a couple of tips on your leg position for your ice skater spin. Start by trying a lifted back hook spin. To do this, we're going to perform it just like we would for a normal back hook spin. So we're going to go inside hand high, outside hand comes across the chest, step on that inside foot and draw a circle around the pole with your outside foot. You're going to land that foot, turning back on yourself, and while you're in a side position to the pole, both your hands are going to lift up. So you haven't changed your hand positions, they're just simply going higher up the pole to give you that lift. From there, you're going to pull yourself up onto the pole, making sure that pole is still in that armpit, and you're going to hook your new inside leg onto the pole, hitting the back of the knee, and think toes to bum. To get the most amount of spins from this move, it's all about momentum. So you want to perform this in one sweep motion. You don't want to stop halfway and lift yourself up because you've just lost all that momentum. Now to turn that lifted back hook into an ice skater spin, your outside foot is going to hook onto the pole.